We're now going to show how to download data from the LiquoGuard 7 with a USB stick to a computer. Therefore we need the LiquoGuard 7, the USB stick, the computer and the software option documentation, which needs to be active. And this can be checked on the LiquoGuard in the tab Setup, Submenu Maintenance, and there you will see documentation which is active on this device. In order to download the data from the LiquoGuard 7 to the USB stick, we need to first turn off the machine. Before we download data to the USB stick, we need to prepare the USB stick. We need to create a certain file and name it. Therefore, connect the USB stick to the computer. The USB stick is empty in this case. Create a new file, a text file, and name it export_logs. Make sure that Windows displays the file ending. In this case, the file ending is not displayed. In my German Windows version, I can enable the file ending like this. And now you see we have the .txt twice. In this situation, LiquoGuard will not be able to download data. The txt is a part of the file ending. It should not be a part of the file name. Therefore, you should not see double, only once. Like this. After naming the file, we connect the USB stick to the LiquoGuard, turn on the device. When everything was correct, LiquoGuard will automatically start up in File Manager mode. We will not get to the normal drainage or infusion test mode. You can now easily select files, like this for example. Then you press copy, and the selected files will be copied to the USB stick. This might take some time, depending on how many files you selected. Every file is named with the date when it was created. If you have entered the patient's name, like for example test 2, then the file is named with the patient's name and date and time when it was created. So it's very easy for you to navigate through the files. You can delete the selected files. You can choose select all, and you can choose select none. Beside of this, we have the snapshots, which were created during the application with the printer button, and we have some special syslogs that can only be read by the manufacturer. After you selected the files you want to copy from the machine, we disconnect the USB stick from the LiquoGuard, we connect it to the computer, and what you now see is the txt file we just created a few minutes ago, and you see the downloaded files from the LiquoGuard 7. The log files containing the patient and application information and the screenshots. When we open the user logs, we see the snapshots. Let's have an example, this one here. Here you see exactly what you saw on the LiquoGuard 7 screen as a picture. When we go back, we open the log file for example this one, and we open it, for example, with Microsoft Excel, we directly see the ID of the machine, the software version. If you had entered the patient's name, you would see the patient's name here too. You see the timestamp and you see the parameters. PCSF pressure, ICP pressure, mean arterial pressure, central perfusion pressure, PSET, the speed of the pump, the set speed, the current speed, mode, flags, drain volume, minimum pressure, maximum volume, maximum volume.